our code is so quality built, so high quality built, that it doesn't matter what is the processor that I'm using, it's still flawless. And now I'm gonna click on start sending, and it's gonna send me into my brand new Sendcrypto wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to Sendcrypto podcast. Today it's actually one of the most exciting podcasts I'm gonna do, or videos I'm gonna do, as we are about to present you for the first time part of the app. So as some of you already know, and most of you will know, we are about to launch our beta app. The waiting list is already open. We're about to close it because we are reaching to the threshold of the 10,000 people. So for those who are unable to get a spot, don't worry. We're planning in a matter of a month or a month and a half to open it to the wide audience. So what I want to show in this video is pretty much how simple it's going to be to open a Sendcrypto wallet. Means that after you downloading the app, what will be the step that you will need to do to start sending, receiving, spending, and storing your crypto with Sendcrypto. It's the first time we are revealing the app, so please bear with us. Again, just for you to remember, the app is still not live. It's going to be live on the App Store in approximately 2 weeks, but we just want to do this quick video, and I'm going to make more of those videos in the next 2 weeks and show you different features of the Sendcrypto app. But because we know that all of the community is excited and we are excited, so we want to show you our abilities and we want to show you how the app is going to look like. So what you're going to see in this video is the registration flow and the homepage, the main page of the wallet. I'm not going to go into any other features. This will be in other videos. Now, before I'm going ahead and I'm doing it, I just want to say a big thank you to everybody. Our channels are exploding everywhere. Our YouTube channel, our Telegram community, our Twitter, Facebook. We really, really appreciate it. Thank you very, very much for the support. And of course, just like we always say, if we want crypto to be mass adopted, we have to support it and help it. That's what we are doing from our place. And each and every one of you that is supporting us is helping this cause to get to the point that crypto become our main currency and not all of those other governmental controlled. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to switch the camera to a phone that I have here. I'm using on purpose a Samsung phone, which is an Android based. It's an old phone. It's not something new, because we want to show you how resilient our code and how good basically our programmers and our developers are, that we are testing everything on old, low memory, low RAM type of phones that don't have a strong processor. So you will be able to see the abilities of our code and our development quality, that even in those old low processor phones, our app will still be flawless and the user experience and user flow will be flawless. And this is why I'm doing it on an old phone, Android phone, and not on a brand new iPhone, for example, right? Because to build an app that works fast on a very high, strong processor type of phone, not so complicated. To get to the point that you are getting the same user experience on a low processor phone, a bit more difficult. And this is what we're all about in Sendcrypto. We want to show you the quality of our code and how good we are in what we're doing. So we'll switch the camera right now to a phone, and I'm basically going to open the app and go through the sign up form, just the exact same way everybody will do it when they register for the first time to Sendcrypto. As you can see, we have two options. The first option would be to sign up. The second one would be to log in. You will not need to use the login most of the time. The login you will have to use only if you downloading the app on a new phone. So let's say you lost your phone or something like that and you already have an existing account, so you don't need to register it again. You just need to log in from a new phone. In this case, you will use the login now. What I want to show you right now is basically how the process of signing up for the first time to Sendcrypto to have your own wallet. So I'm clicking on sign up. The first thing it's going to ask me is for the phone number. Why we are asking you for a phone number? Because the way that we are creating the identification for your wallet is matching it to your phone number and to your IMEI of your device. So those two things basically gives us the ability to restore or back up your wallet when you are using a new phone, or when you lost your access, or when you forgot your password, or anything like that. So this will be your way of identifying yourself when you don't have your wallet active. So I'm just gonna put a test phone number and let's go. First thing it will tell me is to insert the 6-digit code that I'm getting in an SMS. I'm just gonna click allow, and it's already auto-filling it up for me. I don't need to input it by myself. Now, what he asked me to do is to choose for a passcode. That will be the passcode that you use in order to log in to your wallet, to enter to your wallet every time you're logging out or every time you're closing the app. And also, you will have the ability to choose that this passcode will be required to input every time you are trying to make a transaction. Now, this is just one of the security measures that you can put on your app. You can also choose to put the biometrics. So then biometric will be activated for every time you are logging in to your wallet. And every time that you are trying to make a transaction, it will ask you for a biometric authentication to authenticate the transaction, basically signing it. So I'm gonna choose just random passcode 123654, and then he asked me to confirm 123654. And now he's asking me for the email. The reason that we need your email is for two reasons. One, that every time that there is any type of update or information or any type of promotion that's coming from Sendcrypto, we will be able to send it to you via email. And the other reason is that if you are contacting us for any reason, to our customer support or to our contact us form, we will reply to you in two ways. First way will be via email to this email address that I'm gonna input right now, and with a in-app push notifications. We're not gonna send you text messages. We're only gonna reply to you or send you updates via push notifications if you enable them, and in case you didn't enable them, our fallback will be to the email. So we will send it to you via email. That's why it's important that you will put your daily use email to receive from us all the updates. So I'm just gonna put test@gmail.com, approve, continue. Now he's asking for me for the first name, last name, and date of birth. What is the reason for that? The reason for that is that because in Sendcrypto, what we're doing we want to make it the most seamless, the most familiar way of interacting with your wallet. We don't want it to be like MetaMask or any other wallet that you're knowing. So what we're doing is we give you the ability to basically share information if you choose to with the recipients. So when you're sending crypto, if you choose to, again, he will be able to see your profile and who was the one sending it. In case you don't want, you can choose the anonymous option, or you can choose to share only your username, which I will show you exactly what I'm talking about, because every user in Sendcrypto is also getting a tag name, a unique username. This is the one that you can decide to expose as your identification. Now, another thing that is important is to understand that because we are regulated, there is a KYC requirement above $1,000 threshold. I will get into more details in regarding to that, but in a different video. But just to explain to you right now, it basically means that when you are reaching to a certain threshold of $1,000, when conducting transactions, then there is another step that you will have to do, which is a KYC compliant process that you will need to basically provide us with your ID and with your address. Of course, everything will be done automatically with electronic verification. We are working with Onfido, which is the leading KYC service provider in the world. So the whole process takes less than 14 to 15 seconds, and it's completely seamless. It's super easy. And in another video, I will go over the KYC process, and you will see exactly how easy it is. But for now, and also in beta, and also for all of the users, until you're reaching the $1,000 threshold, there is no need to do the KYC. so I'm not even gonna do it right now. So I'm gonna put a name, test, date of birth, done, continue. So this is it. Now, as we can see, what it tells us is basically what I just explained, that if we want to continue and to do right now the KYC before we reach the threshold, we have the option. We're just gonna click on continue registration and then it will send us to the KYC verification. But like I said, in our case, unless we don't reach the $1,000 threshold, there is no need for us to do the KYC, and we can just click I'll do it later, and it will send us to our wallet. Now, I want everybody to pay attention. One, we are still on test environment. It's still beta. Look how smooth the app is working. I'm using a very, very low processor type of phone on purpose. So you can see that our code is so quality built, so high quality build, that it doesn't matter what is the processor that I'm using, it's still flawless. And now I'm gonna click on start sending, and it's gonna send me into my brand new Sendcrypto wallet. As you can see, my balance is 0 as we just open it. I have here all of the options. In the beta, we will have 4 wallets available when we are opening it. Immediately, it's opening it for us automatically, of course, without us needing to do anything. So I have a Bitcoin wallet, Ethereum wallet, USDC, and USDT. Another cool feature, which I'm not gonna go into it, as I said, but I wanna show you already, is that it knows how to pull all of my contacts from my contact list. And when it's pulling it from my contact list, it will also know how to show me which one of my contacts already have a Sendcrypto and which one don't. And in regard to different promotion and requirement and actions that I will need to do, I will see it in this area right here. Now, if I want to turn on the biometric, as we said, I will go to my profile and I will do that. I'm not going to go into it right now. I just wanted to show you, first of all, how simple, how fast, how seamless, how intuitive it is to open a Sendcrypto wallet. So if you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe, share, like. Once again, I want to say that we really appreciate all the support. We really appreciate the growth of the community. We really appreciate people sharing and talking about Sendcrypto. We are into it because we love it. We want people to be able to use crypto easier than they use fiat. We want adoption to be big. We want people to use crypto more than they use any other fiat currency. And the only way to do it is to simplify the entry point into crypto. We believe that for the world to be able to use with crypto, first of all, the world need to know how to enter crypto. And that's what Sendcrypto is here to solve. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one.